I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, I know it's been a while. Since you've seen me in my familiar setting, but all my belongings just got here last week. So now everything is set up. As you can see behind me, you see all the shoes. There's another wall right there. I'll use that one sometimes as well. But everything is set up in the man cave now, and I can come back and bring you more sneaker content the proper way. Alright? Now, I'm a little bit behind. I have 2 pairs of shoes that I've been sitting on for about 2 months. So this is going to be me catching up. The next maybe 2 sneaker videos that you see are going to be me catching up. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the first one. Alright. Because you all know, Big Roth, proud member of the Bron gang. Alright, now I know the Lebron 18s are out. Right now, Lebron 18s are out. But I gotta show you these and one more up there before we get into the 18s. Okay, and the 18s are on the way. Alright, so these are the Lebron 17 FP. I can't remember what FP is, but University red, size 14, of course. Alright. I got these from Undefeated. I made the mistake on the day that these released. I hit the button on the Nike app and it said sold out. And on sneakers it said sold out. So I was like, dang, I missed it. So I panicked. I went to everywhere I could try to find them. No size 14, no size 14. So I panicked. I went to Undefeated because I saw that they were going to be there. And I copped them. Boom. Undefeated, copped them. Right? Went right back to the Nike app. And now they're available. So I couldn't get the normal discount that I would get on any kicks because I got them from Undefeated. So I paid the full retail on these. But let's go ahead and get into them, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yeah. Whoo. Man. These are those Lebron 17s and that red graffiti colorway. Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Look at these. Now, I've already showed you the original pair of the graffiti LeBron 17s that were inspired by the graffiti 4s, all right? But while I was in transition going from Spain to where I currently am now in Texas, these were releasing, so I had to go ahead and cop these and send them stateside so that, you know, I could have them. But whew, man, look at that. You see the 2-3 going across the strap here. Boom. 2-3. Nike swoosh there on the toe box area. The strap inspired from the twos. I mean, not the twos. Actually, the twos as well, but the fours. The strap from the fours, because that's what this shoe is based off of. Very nice, and I like that it's that navy on the back, the navy and white. Break up some of that red and white. Boom. And that's that LeBron 2-3 logo there. Got your little king's crown in the corner. Boom. Graffiti everywhere. Red Nike swoosh. Is there anything I'm missing? Let's go ahead and take the inside, the shoe tree up out of there. And get a little bit of that paper in there. Take that out. Struggle game. Struggle game. Alright, it's in there really good. Alright, we out of there. On the inside, you have your LeBron 2-3 logo, LBJ 2-3 logo there. And that is in that blue with the white. On the back, it says, "Never forget to hear the voice of the athlete, Phil Knight." Boom. Never forget to hear the voice of the athlete is what that says on the back there. You got your Lion King there on the tongue. And then some more things there on the back, of course. Going down there. What's these numbers? Let me see here. Oh, I'm dumb. It's not numbers. It says believe going down. It says believe going down in that blue stripe. Believe. Alright. The only thing I can point out distinctively in this on the graffiti, it looks like it says fearless here. Cutting across there, you see the fear. I can't make out anything else. Oh, there, never mind, there's vision there. That's it, man. I can't really make out too much of everything else, but I do know that it is dope. I like the battle knit that is on this shoe. I really like it in red. I really like this colorway that is in this red, and it has the white and navy around it. On the bottom, we have that translucent blue bottom pods, normal LeBron 17 stuff there. Nike on the front. Alright, clear air units going all the way around, and they're up front. Can you see that on the side? Nope. On this side you can see it. Clear air unit up there as well. Alright, very dope shoe. Glad that I was able to get them, even though I wasn't able to get them at the normal price that I usually get my kicks. But you know what we gotta do now. For the first time in the setup, Man Cave, Texas, we gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so here's what I was wearing today. These are the Jordan 4s, that black and gold. Remember these joints? Finally got my stuff here, man, so I've been able to wear different shoes. Alright, had to throw these on today. Too sweet. Alright, but here's what you all are here for today. Boom. Yes, sir. The red graffiti things. Alright, that's been a little bit. Kind of forgot how I would do this, but boom. For size reference, my big toe is right there. Alright, this is a size 14, so my big toe is right here. I don't like to go down. I can fit a 13.5 in these. 13.5 is my true size in any shoe, but I don't like to go down in the LeBron 17. I don't like to go down that. I like the fit of the 14 because it is a little snug when you lace them up properly. It's a snug fit, so my true size wouldn't fit right. So I say go up half a size. The 13.5 fits, but it's more comfortable for me to have a 14. All right. So boom, there you are. Boom. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, these are most definitely too sweet. And get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval for sure. Alright, so I did forget one thing. On the back of the right, instead of saying what was it, believe on the back of the left, on the right it is witness. Alright, let me see if I can zoom that in for you all. You might not be able to see it. But on the back of the right shoe, it is witness instead of believe. So that is, to my eyes, the only difference in the shoes. Alright? So, just wanted to show you all that. But, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.